Okay, let's listen what Robin and Jay have to say. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said Robin and Jay. Aren't people funny there to be that way?
Yes, now after reading the poem, we will do the written work of poem Bird Talk. Question number 1 is, name the two birds in the poem. Robin and Jay are the names of the two birds in the poem. Question number 2 is, what are the three things that people can't do? The three things people can't do are, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on the wires and the things. And the question number 3 is, what do birds think of people? Birds thought people are funny to be that way. And these are the questions. Now we will come to the next question. Next question which we will do in our notebook is this. Listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these birds like chirp, 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 cow, 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 coo, 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 and quack, quack, quack. Chirp is the sound of sparrows. Cow, cow is the sound of crow. Coo, coo is the sound of quail. And the quack, quack is the sound of ducks. Now next question. Yes, this is the next question. Now write 4 sentences using the following words: nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. And we have to write down all the 4 sentences on the birds only. The first sentence is, birds make nest to live. Next sentence, birds also drink water. Next sentence, chirp is the sound of sparrow bird. Fourth, it fly in the sky. And the fifth, wings help her to fly high. And now the last question of this poem is, yes, now this is the last work which we will do in our notebook. Write the words that rhyme with the words given below, like grow, know, throw. Next word is day, bay, hay. And the next word, think, pink, sink. Next is funny, sunny, bunny. And the next one is eat, meat, meat. Sing, ring, and king. And that's all about this poem Birds Talk, the poem written by Alein Fisher. And now you will complete your work, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching and subscribing the channel.